In this video, we are going to see how to find the address of an element in two-dimensional array. Before that, we will revise how to find the address of an element in one-dimensional array. Consider this array where the starting index is 5 and last index is 16. So total number of elements are 16 minus 5 plus 1. So there are total 12 elements are there in this array. Size of each element, consider it's 4 bytes. If you want to know the address of element that is there in the 11th index, let us consider the base address. Base address is 100 plus index that we are looking for 11 minus starting index 5. Did you ever wonder like why starting index is 5? Why not 0? See, in a few competitive exams, if they want to trick you, what they will do is instead of the starting index giving as 0, they will start with 5. If at all they are starting with starting index 5 is given, general formula for this is base address plus index multiple by size of each element. In such cases, this will fail because the index here is 11 but the starting index is not 0. How many elements you need to cross to reach the 11? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements. But if at all you are using directly I without subtracting the starting index, the answer will go wrong. For that reason, you are supposed to do the subtraction of starting index if at all the starting index is different. If at all if it is 0, you no need to do the subtraction for obvious reasons. Multiple by 4 will give you the, let us consider for two-dimensional array. You look at the two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array is nothing but a kind of matrix. There are total 3 rows are there and 4 columns are there. Though it is a two-dimensional array, computer arranges in one-dimensional array only. How is it? 0th row 11, 21, 31, 41 will be arranged first, followed by 51, 61, 71, 81 will be arranged later, followed by the third row. If you observe, this is the 0th row, this is the first row and second row. Since it is arranged row after the other, this is called row major order. Now, how to find total number of rows are there and how to find total number of columns? Last index minus starting index, that is 2 minus 0 plus 1 is equal to 3. Number of columns 3 minus 0 plus 1 is equal to 4. The base address is 100. Size of each element is 4 bytes. Let us consider you want to find the location or the address of element. Let us consider 111. So 111 index is 2, 2. First, let us solve the problem and derive the formula from there. If you want to reach, this is 0th row, 0th column, 0th row, first column, 0th row, second column, 0th row, third column. This is first row, 0th column, first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. That means if I want to cross complete first row, I need to cross 4 elements first. That is 4 is nothing but number of columns. Again, if I want to cross complete second row, I need to cross another 4 elements. Again, 4 is nothing but number of columns. So let us derive the formula. 100 plus I need to cross 4 plus 4, that is 8 number of elements first. So after reaching this row, we are supposed to cross how many elements? 1, 2 elements, then we will reach here. Then we can identify the address of this location. We will try to derive the formula now. I need to cross 2 rows minus starting index of the row. In each row, total how many number of elements are there? 4 number of elements are there. In each row, 4 number of elements are there. 4 plus 4 is 8. If you observe this, 2 minus 0 multiplied by 4 is 8 plus, after reaching here, how many elements we need to cross again? 2 elements, that is 2 minus 0. 0 is the starting index of the column. If I derive the formula, the formula will be base address plus 2, that is I and j value consider. This is I value subtracted by start index of row multiple by 4. 4 is nothing but number of elements in the row. How many number of elements are there in the row? 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 elements is nothing but first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Of course 0, 1, 2, 3 as per the index. If I count it, there are total 4 columns are there. Multiple by number of columns plus 2 is nothing but j value subtracting minus start index of column will give you the answer. So 100 plus 8 plus 2. And one important point, each block is of size 4 bytes. Each element is of size 4 bytes. This complete thing will be multiple with size of each element, multiple by 4. So 140. Let us see whether it is the answer that we get or not. Manually, if you do 104, 108, 112, 116, 120, 122, sorry, 124, 128, 132, 136 and 140. 140 is the address of element 111 where its index is 2, 2. I believe you understood the concept. If you want more examples to be solved, please comment below. I will solve another 1 or 2 examples in a different format and upload the video.